Many people think that he used to be the president of the United States, but he wasn't. He was a politician, a major politician, so that's confused a lot of people, but he was also a scientist. He is the one who got the credit. Listen to my language. I didn't say he is the one who discovered, like they say. I say he is the one that got the credit for discovering the effect of metal in time of lightning, by saying, if you want to protect your city from the lightning, put a piece of metal in the tallest roof of the building. You have buildings. Which building is the tallest? Make sure you have a lot of metal over there. When the lightning hit our town, it will attract, it will aim to the metal on the roof. You'll see some fire there for a second, it will save our life. You won't do it, it would come down to the streets, can kill people and animals. Very interesting, but the Gemara spoke about it 1800 years before Franklin was born. The Gemara said the Jew is not allowed to do black magic, even if it works. He's not allowed to do it. What does it mean it works? The Amorites used to be a nation of idol worshippers that have all kinds of magics. Just like in India, you have all kinds of magicians that does all kinds of tricky things. So what happened over there? The Gemara says, if a person put metal between his sheep, he has sheep, if he put metal over there when the sheep are born, because he wants to have many babies to multiply his cattle, that's a sin from the Torah. It's called Maaseh HaEmori, because the Torah says, don't imitate from the Goyim these tricks and magics that they do. It's against my will, against my wish. So if a Jew does it to have more sheep, meaning it gives you more sheep, instead of 200 a year, maybe you have 250 are born. It speeds pregnancy of the female sheep, whatever the case is. If a Jew does it for that reason, it's a sin from the Torah. But if he does it to protect the cattle from the lightning, it's allowed. It's clearly in the Talmud. Before Benjamin Franklin was printed on $100 bill, the Chachamim, it's not fair, they should have made a lot of bills and put the pictures of all the rabbis from the Talmud. Rabbi Akiva, Rabbi Shimon,